Sometimes we need to look at the bigger picture of how far we have come. We always tend to look one or two steps forward or backward, and we start feeling as though we are stuck at a place. We see our lives so zoomed in that we fail to see the progress we have made. I'm not just talking about professional progress, I'm talking about emotional progress, where you have learned to control your anger, where you have now learned not to emotionally exhaust yourself on unimportant things, where you don't have emotional outbursts. I'm talking about progress in your thought process, where you have developed enough critical thinking to reject the societal norms that doesn't align with your values. I'm talking about progress in your character building. I'm talking about the progress in your personality building. I want you to zoom out of the picture and see yourself many years ago and compare that version of yourself to now. See how far you have come. Appreciate your journey. You have come a long way.